there, Kira here with my second video of the day. So this week I was challenged to use background cut files in my layouts. This is for Hip Kit Club, so I'm using the April 2021 Hip Kits. I posted 2 videos today. So the first one, if you haven't watched, I use the same background cut file that I'm using here, but I'm using it in a different way. So this video, I'm using it as a cut file. The last video, I used it as more of a stitching guideline. So if you haven't watched the video, go watch it so you can see how I did it in that layout. But this one, I just cut it out. Well, first I sized it. It was like 12 by 12. And then I used my slicing tool, I think it is what it's called in Cricut. I don't know what you would do with Silhouette, but I cut it down so it was 4.25 by 8.25 because that's what size my paper is. I just cut it out on white cardstock, and then I used my sewing machine to stitch along all of the lines. That's just to give it a little added texture to the layout. And then I'm scrapbooking. If you didn't see my last video, I'm scrapbooking basically the same thing that I did in my last video, except for I'm doing it for Jonathan instead of Elliot. So this is a Mother's Day layout. I always do a Mother's Day questionnaire for each of my kids, and this one is Jonathan's questions. So on the journaling side, that's what the journaling is just the answers to his questions. And then I've got a photo of both of my kids that I printed in black and white. So I've got my cut file. I bumped it up on foam, which I cut that part out because you didn't really need to see me putting foam adhesive on the back of it, but I just put some foam adhesive on the back. I haven't adhered it down yet because I wanted to kind of get my flower stickers situated. So I'm using stickers from the like I said, the April 2021 kits. It's either going to be the Pocket Life kit or the embellishment kit. So I believe that the sticker booklet is from the Pocket Life kit, and then like the cardstock stickers and the chipboard stickers are from the embellishment kit. So I'm using kind of a mix of those kits. I don't use any paper on this layout, so it's just the Pocket Life and the embellishment kit. I put all of the flowers, I just put behind the cut file, and then I'm going to be putting butterflies on top of the cut file. So you'll see me right now, I am using the butterflies from the sticker booklet, and they're clear, and I didn't want them to be clear, so I put them on white cardstock and then fussy cut around them to give the look that I did want. So that's pretty much the left side of my page is pretty much done. I just need to adhere everything down. So now I'm going to be working on the right side, which is my journaling page. So I found this title, which was in the die cut pack, which I believe is in the embellishment kit. Oof, I could be wrong about that. But it's a die cut pack from Simple Stories. And I'm going to use that as my title. And it says Love Grows Here. And then I'm going to be putting some butterflies at the bottom and some more florals on top. I'll bump the title up on some foam adhesive so it gives it some dimension like the other page. And I'll just be putting some flowers from the same sticker packs and stuff. I'm just putting those underneath there just to give it a little bit of color, a little bit of pop over there. So I just want to make sure that I bring in all the colors. So I'm going to have some pinks, I'm going to have some yellows, there's like a little orange flower, and I'll just be pulling in just some different colors to see what will work. I realized that I had a lot of pink going on that page, so I decided to bring in some more of the aqua colors. So I changed out the chipboard butterfly for an aqua chipboard butterfly instead of a pink one. I wanted to pull some yellow up here, and so I thought that this little bow would work, but I was not liking how that was looking, so I decided to just stick with flowers. So I'm just going to pull in some more flowers. The one thing I do love about this sticker booklet is that it's got perforated edges so you can pull the pages out. I usually don't like to pull pages out of my sticker books. I like to keep them in, but when I was trying to get these stickers off, it was just easier just to have them out. So I did pull all of my well, most of the pages are out now. So I'm just going to adhere everything down and adhere this part down, the cut file down. So I'm just pulling off all of the little pieces of the adhesive backing, and I will trim off the edges and everything and make it nice and neat. And then I'm going to adhere these little butterflies down. I folded up the edges of the butterflies' wings a little bit just to give them some dimension. And I'm just adhering those down with some wet adhesive. And I think that's pretty much it. That's looking like that's the end. So there's my layout. So if you haven't checked out the other one, go back. I think it's before this. It'll be posted before this one. And you can see that one. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will see you soon with another video. Have a good day. Bye.